So we need to find the solutions to this equation. So in order to find solutions to a quadratic equation or to a parabola, I have to do three things. I either have to do quadratic formula, completing the square, or factoring. Just by looking at the answers, I know it's not going to be factorable. So I can either do quadratic formula or completing the square. Since I have a leading coefficient, I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So to use the quadratic formula, you got to remember the formula, which is opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So a, b, and c. So a is going to be 2, b would be negative 4, and c is 6. So we're going to have the opposite of b. Since b is negative 4, the opposite is positive 4, plus or minus the square root of 2 times a. So I'm going to do this, the discriminant on the side. So we have b squared minus 4ac. So we always do exponents first, so that's going to be 16. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and negative 8 times 6 is 48. So 16 minus 48 can be 32. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute that back. So I'm going to have negative 32. So now the negative 32, I can rewrite that using my prime numbers. The negative means I'm going to have an I. But negative 32 is the same thing as 8 times 4. And we have 4 times 2. So I already have two pairs. I don't have to keep going. I can rewrite this as the square root of 4 times 4 times 2. So here's my pairs. That's going to go on the outside. So I'm left with 4 square root of 2. So I'm going to have 4 plus or minus 4i. Remember, the negative means that I'm going to have an I. Square root of 2 over 4. So I can separate these into two fractions. I can have 4 over 4 plus or minus 4i square root of 2 over 4. So 4 divided by 4 is just 1. And I can cancel my 4's. So I'm left with I square root of 2.